Okay.
Don!
Don daw, Don. Sabi ka na dito, Don. It's okay. You can still drink while you're playing. Mark!
Nabibilad na ako sa
Kira, Mark! Kira!
Nabibilad ba yan?
Okay lang kasama lasing. Lasing din ako eh.
Okay lang kasama yan.
Sama yan, pare. Okay lang. Okay. Okay na. Oh, anong pangalan mo to? Anong pangalan mo?
Yan po.
Buti sa'yo. Buti naman. Muy bien, muy bien. Sabi ko na eh. Okay. Mark, sama dyan. Yan, okay. Ready? Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Dali na!
Dali na! Okay lang yan, minsan lang tayo. Minsan lang tayo. Magkakatawaan. Please. Sige na. Halika na, uy. Halika mo dyan. Are you a loner? Okay lang, walang audience dito. Halika na, sama ka na. Halika na, baba mo yan. Yan. Dito ka naman. Yan. Okay na? Okay? Ayan, marami na tayo ha. Sabay-sabay na sa Sister Luisa. Si Paz. Sa Paz. Okay, kantaan muna natin happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep. Hep hep. Okay, yung prize ng game na to manggagaling sa kanilang dalawa. Alright? Very good, very good. Tandaan nyo, 200 pounds ito. Okay. Alright, count out. 1 and 2. Count. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2. No, 2. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. All number ones come in the side. Number twos that side.
What side?
On number ones in the side.
Kasama kasi ako lumabas. Number 1?
Yeah. Linya tayo, linya. Medyo adjust tayo dito ng konti, adjust. Can we adjust here? Tawa kayo ng tawa, hindi kayo nakikinig. Adjust here, adjust. Move back a bit. Okay. Move back here, forward a bit, forward. Okay, line. Okay. Bilang kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My God, perfect attendance! Alright. Yan. Okay, walang dayaan ha? Okay ka na po. I wasn't speaking in Ilocano for a long time. Alright.
Oh, okay. I thought it was empty. Okay. Are we supposed to find the egg? Is this an Easter egg hunt? Yeah! It's an Easter egg hunt!
You hold that? Hold that? Alright, listen. I'm having cramps.
We're swimming!
Magaling. Anak.
Okay.
Alright. No, it's not alright. Alright, inside the box is 15 pieces of eggs.
Yes.
You need to pass on to the next tray. And the next one when you're finished, you give this to the third person. You pass all the eggs to the next person until the end. The last person gives the eggs to me. Okay? Can I know who's the last person in the queue there? You're the last in line. No cheating, please. Because everything's recorded on your card. Alright. DJ. DJ.
How do we do it? How?
Of course, you face them.
You face lang.
Face each other. No. You pass it on one by one.
Oh, is it one by one?
Yeah.
One by one, one by one.
There.
We thought... Oh, one by one.
One by one.
Alright,
one by
then.
one. Okay.
Alright, Jose.
Hang on, one by one, not three. Alright? One by one. No cheating. No cheating.
Okay.
Sabi ko naman, nadaya eh. One by one.
No strategy.
Yeah, okay?
One by one.
Yeah, don't drop it yet. It's okay if you drop it, you have to give it. One by one, yeah?
I'm just doing it like that.
I'll remind you, God knows who does. Who does cheat? Okay, remember, if you cheat, you're cheating against the young people.
I'm being wise.
Remember, if you cheat, you're cheating against the old people. You don't cheat. Alright? Are you ready, empty ball? Team A, are you ready?
Yes.
Team B, are you ready? Stop jumping. Ready? On your mark. Wait a minute. Smile. Oh, smile. Ready? On your mark. DJ. Where's the DJ? Get set. Go. Ay, nagsiting. Kasi nang madaya. Sige, tama lang kasi. Yan. Yan, nakuna na kayo. Oh, yan. Kasi saan, sinalin. Dahan-dahan kasi, kinakamatuna na sila. Ang tanda na yan, tutulungan mo pa. Walang tutulong.
Kailangan talaga dexterity.
Go, go!
No cheating! No cheating! Boys!
Bakit walang tumitingin sa kabilang side? Ay! Bakit? Unfair! Ay! Alam mo kung bakit? Andito kasi kasawa.
Okay! Give the ball to me! Come on! Hey, that's the end! You got 1 day to go! Sabi ko na sa inyo, yung nalaya at hindi nananago. Di ba sa? Sabi sa inyo, huwag kayo nandaya. And the winner is...
Ba't naging dalawa na yung boses?
Okay!
Ay, wala.
Our next game is group yourself into three. Three. Group yourself into three. Three. Group yourself into three. Group yourself into three.
Kamu tulo.
When? When to go in?
Kamu tulo. Hoy, Louie. Kamu
Yung
tulo.
kay ano? JP. Yan. Three kayo. Dan. Three. Mike. Three kayo ni Three. Ayaw na. Three kayo. Three. Three. Yeah, three kayo. Yan. JM. Saka yung ano na kaputi. Three. Dito. Three. Yan, three kayo doon. Three. Ano po ba yan? Three, ha? Okay, three. Isang na.
We are gonna win.
Ito kayo.
Wait lang.
Three.
Ay, wait lang.
Three kayo. Ito kayo.
Okay, we're gonna win.
Three. Alright. Okay? Three. Oh, hindi. Tama yun. Yan. Picture three. Okay, picture three. Picture. Okay, our next game is grouping of threes. We'll be tying your leg. Yeah, and we're going to be going around. Let me get the tie anyways in the open.
Hindi kami na. May shortcut. Very deep. Ano prize?
Tayo indungan, siya ang puso. So, sabi nga po din.
Yellow kami. Hindi dapat same color. Yeah, Team Red. Team Red.
So how many trees is this? How many trees in one group? Forest. One, two, one, two, three, four. Ulang ba? Ulang yung mga manginginom. Hoy, manginginom! Hoy! Lasing! Mga team lasing! Saan mo dito? Ulang kami, ulang! Okay lang! Game! Ano ito? Ulang! Nasaan yung mga?
Stop announcement! Member of the domestic police in the beach. There's a lot of rubbish. Kulang kami, uy! Kulang! Amon! Kulang ng views! Lasing ka na? Ako rin yun! Kulang! Len! Kulang! Enjoy! Kulang, please! Angie! Ano kayo dito? Ha? May sakit din ako eh. Sakit at lag ko. Sino ba? Kulang tayo eh, kulang. Paul! Tawagin mo na yun. Tawagin ka dito. Halika na.
Aray mo dali, grupo mo na mo. Dali.
Kulang.
Tulo ka grupo. Ay, tulo mo ka. Usa ka grupo. Tulo ka person.
Right. Dito kayo.
Mag-aano yun. Sila po.
Dito ka na. Boys.
Sila pag-lima.
Dito.
Ato mo likod.
Oh.
Ato mo likod, behind.
Dito.
Kuya, isa lang. Kayo nga, kuya.
Okay. Nasaan yung ano natin, marker? Pwede tumilan na kayo one time dito.
Kung paano itong hindi ba sila
So, what you do, you go around here, you walk through here, and then you go through this hook and back. Back there.
Back here.
Back to where you started.
We got this. The friend.
Okay. Did you understand? What they're gonna do, they'll pass on the thigh, the leg. Then they'll be walking through here, going here. Okay? Sa kabila. Hoy, sa kabila. Sa kabila ko sa I will be here. Listen. Huwag dapat pinakatayo eh. Yan, Glenn. Kayo ka na lang dyan. Teresa! Teresa! Kayo ka na lang dito. Yan.
Kasi tatlo.
Hindi. Saan si Teresa? Yan. Okay? Yan, tayo ka lang.
Yan, the best.
What you need to do, you need to walk towards me. Hang on, how do we do this?
Tapos.
The blanket! We cannot...
Okay.
Basta yun na yun! Sorry, yun na yun!
Pila kayo doon? O tama, kung kayo pumila doon. Dito yung mga markers. Tama? Doon kayo pumila doon. Pila.
Tapos doon yung
Okay. That's it. The further you just walk. If you run, walk, listen. Pag natanggal yung body mo, you go back to the queue. Yeah? Pag natanggal, you go back. Listen. Pag natanggal yung body, you go back. Yeah? Okay? Pag natanggal yung body, if the knot gets removed, you go back to the queue. Alright, you got it? If the knot gets removed, you go back to the queue. Alright. Alright, Pandago, yung matatawa, remove. DJ! Music! Okay! Are you ready? Are you ready? Team A, are you ready? Team B, are you ready? Yes! Ready! On your mark! Get set! Go!
One, two, three. Hello. Regroup. I'm first.
Okay. Ready. Wait. Ang lapit nyo na. Nakaliyo kayo. Atras kayo. Okay. Everybody. Boom, tarat. 1, 2, 3. Boom, tarat. Boom, tarat. Bum tarat tarat. Bum tarat. Mariusap kay mga Pilipino, lahat ng pantalayan, alam niya. And the winner! Pichon. Oh, lahat na pichon, ha? Please! Everybody, come on, pichon!
Sinta ng iba. Ay, picture na lang to, picture. Everybody. Come on. Jeff!
Everybody na! Oh, doon ka. Jem, ano? Okay. Okay, smile. Sino? O, hintayin natin. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. One more. Hands up on the air. May flash ba? One more. Hands up on the air. Hop. Happy birthday! Hey! Okay lang!
Inom na kami, talo kami. Inom na. Kako na itong mga ano na ito.
Ha? Nandiyan sa loob.
Dalawa lang.
Sira?
Okay na?
Dalawa. O baka walang signal kasi kaya umakit.
Dinaya ba kayo, ate?
Yeah, I think so. Volleyball ulit, volleyball na. Nandun na sila.
Nasaan yung anak ni Luisa? Lumilipad eh. Dinibit-bit eh.
Nakaangat yung nasa gitna.
Bad touch. Gulat ako yung mga anak ni Luisa lumilipad eh. Binibit-bit yung isa. Binuhat na.
Inulit sa'yo.
Ang galing, may teknik eh.
Kasi daw nag-pause yung ano eh.
May teknik eh.
Pero dinakon mo na.
Oo, putol na eh. Okay lang, pound land lang yan. Sa kumita na ng 4 na generation yan. Tubo na yan, tubo. Yan o. Alright. Pang Viva Max. Alright. We got a mermaid here. Ariel. Sister Manu. You're like a mermaid. Oh, Mike. Smile. Sama ka dyan. Lebron
James.
Pag hindi ka pa naman na kayo nag-champion ngayong taon na to, ewan ko na lang.
Wala po.
Payat na si Luka, oh.
Wala pa rin. Golden State na
You wanna go to it?
Oh, really? Hindi niya mag-champion doon si ano eh. Oh, different. Not hungry.
Huh?
Not hungry.